Hey viewers, today we talk about the basic geometry. Basic geometry start with a point. So point is this thing, and when we join many points, then we make a line, and this is a line. In this line, there are many line segments. From here to here, there are only two endpoints. A line has two endpoints. If I draw A and B, if I draw a 1 point more C here, then this line has AB segment, CB segment. So in this way, there are many line segments in a line. These two lines, the next thing is, these two lines are parallel lines. They are always equal, and when we move this parallel line from here, this is called the intersecting line, and intersecting line has a point, and there it is called a point of intersection. Point of intersection, and this is called the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line, the two lines meet at a 90 degree, then it is called the perpendicular lines. So here our topic is basic. What are the angles? In basic geometry, we sound about the angles. One, when the two lines join at a point, this is called the vertex. And there are three types of angles. One is 90 degree. This is called the right angle. Less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree is acute angle. Greater than 90 degree is obtuse angle. So these are three types of angle, and one angle is when the line will be straight. For example, if this line is here and we move this, shift this on the clockwise here, then it will be the angle of 180 and straight line angle. Now we work between the right angle and a straight angle. Right angle and straight angle. First is, the angles between the right angle are called the complementary angle. Complementary angles are, if this is 30, what is this? So we know A, O, B and C. We pronounce COB, and what is AOC, and maybe it will be given at point A. So in this way, A plus 30 is equal to 90. It means A is equal to 90 minus 30 equal to 60. Complementary always added up to 90 degree, and the angles which share the same arm are called the adjacent angles, and in these angles their total will be always 180. So if this angle is 70, what is this? So we name it, or O, A, B and C. What is OAC? OAC, it means we add OAC plus 70 equal to 180, and it will be OAC is equal to 180 minus 70, 110 is your angle. The word which you think in the statement, there is a statement, if there is a complementary angle of this, find the remaining angle. Find the complementary angles, and one angle is given to you. One angle is given you 47. Same, you know what is the total of complementary angle. You simply 90 minus 47 is equal to 43. And in other word, if there is a word, find the supplementary angle rather than here written on the complementary. So then your addition is 180. So you simply subtract this angle from 180. Okay, thank you.